Army! Welcome, welcome, Pumpkinators! And today we are going to be doing Bee Swarm. Yeah, Bee Swarm! Yes, today we are going to be playing Bee Swarm. A little code for you guys if you don't already put it in. It is this. Ready? 5 tickets. And then I'm pretty sure this is one. 500 MIL. 5 dice gumdrops. Oh, and now I'm a bee. Or not a bee. A bear. I'm science bear. Bill guy. The science guy. Bill guy. Oh, wow. Okay, you know what? I think I can stay in a field forever. Bill guy. Bill guy. The science guy. Bill guy. Oh, now I'm gone. I can't use both of those fields because I only have one bee. Whoa, we're lagging, guys. One sec. Just go ahead. Oh, just go ahead. I should stop it. Oh, too many good guys on the server. It's lagging me. Whole bag just turning it in. Oh, he's Bomber. Commander B. I call him Bomber B. Uh, Commander B. A strong, no-sensed B who says level-handed when things get through. Nice! I really wish I could use it, but what is this? 5 times wealth clock per pollen? I mean, yeah. Let's go, Mario. I want to give you the present too because you're actually pretty useful. Yay, 1 minus present. Wait, what do you mean? 1, yay, 1 minus present. I get 3 times in here now. Yay. Yeet, yeet. I'm getting a full bag, full up. If you guys would not like to see me grind, I will go on my other account. Dandelion field. I mean, yeah. Okay, goodbye, sunflower field. Yeah, heavily. Oh no, I'm here now. If you're wondering why I'm on this account, this one that I'm usually on, well, because I'm starting off new. Show you guys how I get so good. Give you some good tips. Well, my good tip for you guys is I would get as many bees, because the more bees you can get, the faster you can move up fields. And then after you get 5 bees, you would grind your stuff. And then you would get your stuff leveled up. I don't even need a boost for that. I got a royal jelly and I don't even need it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, team. Let's go. Commander B, I need it. No, that's your critical hitter. So it looks like I got 2 damager bees. Not really the best thing, but I mean, yeah, thanks, guys. Stop following me. Oh, wait. Ah, they're following me. Call 911. Noink. He's like, I'm gonna take this. Thank you, Carl. I should name him Coral. No, I think Carl's better. Carl the science guy. Yeah, it's not Bill Guy the science guy. Teachers lie to you. It's Carl the science guy. Mushroom field, blue flower field, and 25 tokens. Jeez, Black Bear, I could do that in no time. Actually, I can't hold that much. Thank you, Black Bear. 500 pollen. What this field? Wait a second, I actually can. Oh, honey tokens. Go. Go team, go. What an unexpected timing. I could have just did my other account. Actually, I can't do my other account. Because I'm actually not going to friend my account on here to do that. No cheats this time. No speed. I'm not speeding my way through this time. Bill Guy the science guy. Bill Guy the science guy. Bill. I need a hasty bee so I can go vroom vroom. Didn't I get 5 tickets? And convert thingies with some field dice. I'm not gonna use glitter. With gumdrops. This. And yeah, we're good. Now convert thingy. Did we finish this quest? No. We're about to. Like Commander is a big boom. We're gonna go kaboom boom 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 boom. Ah, Black Bear. Give me a silver egg. Actually, I changed my mind. Please don't give me a silver egg. You guys be figure out why I'm saying don't give me a silver egg. I have 5k honey. This is why I like grinding his quest until he says, get bamboo field. What I'll do when he mentions that. Because I'll have enough honey. I'm gonna buy this and then, I'm gonna buy it. It's been working with me ever since I did it. Then I'll buy a backpack because your bees are like an extra shovel. Basic bee. No wasting honey. Stubborn bee. Now I'm gonna go over this way. It's common sense. If you don't want the bee you want, and then you're like, oh, I want this legendary bee, and then you just use your honey, don't do that. No. Just, no. I guess there we go. Got some better stuff now. No, wait, we need red flowers. To the red field. Ow. My eye hurts. To the red field. Oh! Dodge. Jump. Or don't jump. Whatever you want. Strawberries. Red field. Red field. Stubborn bee. I don't even know Stubborn bee's ability. Collect. I actually should start this guy's quest. Guy or girl? Girl. Guy. I don't know. I don't know bears' genders, okay? The Pumpkinator YT. That's right. Yeah, I actually made myself look pretty cool. No Robux included. Into the red. Into the red. I really miss my parachute. I gotta get better on that. But I also have to grind on here and get better. Not buy, but grind. So doing this for his quest. You know, Okay, guys. Oh, oh, he has a 2 times booster. Okay, that's pretty cool. Bill Guy, the science guy. Bill, 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 Bill. Bill Guy, the science guy. Bill, Bill. Bill Guy, the science guy. Woo, thanks, Black Bear. Blue, to the blue flower field, see? He'll assign you to the fields for his quest. So don't try and complete his quest as soon as possible. Don't try and complete his Christmas quest and be like, okay, there, and there. Just keep doing his quest because he'll assign you to the fields that you need to go to that are on his Christmas quest. And that's an easy win-win. You get finished too. And then I'll finish by grabbing honey tokens. No, give me this honey token. You can't make me do nothing. Ah, it's uncollectible. Blue Forbies? Blue Hellblies? Oh, I like this BR ready. I like this BR ready. There's no red in this field. But I could use a bomb boost for red. I think I'm gonna leave. Don't have the boots. I don't have the boots. I don't. Ah, we're lagging. Run, damn it. Wait a second. I'm gonna just do this real quick. Let off a boost to everybody. Okay, now everyone has a 2 times boost and pollen. A 1% boost and everything. That's an actual. Now it's a 1% boost and everything. Because I can only hold 670. Bill Guy. Bill Guy, the science guy. Bill Guy. Oh, it took 2 bees this time. Fire bee is my favorite bee. There's no jokes about that. He's my favorite. I know you're not allowed to have favorite childs, but he's still my favorite. I don't care what you say. Hey, are you honeying? I was gonna say, honey, you home? Because of the honey bear. Yeah, it's a bad joke. It's a really bad. Oh, that black bear, bear's on some sugar. He's be drinking too much apple juice. What the heck, black bear? You be drinking all that grape juice. Have some pumpkin spice or something. Pumpkin pie. Bill Guy, the science guy. Bill Guy. My friends look at me like, boy, Bill Guy, the science guy. No. Blue flower, mushroom, and clover. Well, I'm closest to mushroom. I'll get mushroom. Actually, I'm going to get my stuff. This man is God. Well, best in the server. Compared to me, he's my God. You know, help you join groups, whatever. Whatever, make it cooler, Heather. Bill guy. This. Hey, no. Don't grind in that field. We don't want that much. No! Bees, what are you doing? This field. We never killed this man. Haha, you can't attack me. Actually, probably can. It's kind of what I'm worried about. Okay, we already did this. Hey, stop! They never listen. See? They just keep crying. Oh, hi. I've actually just came over here to collect stuff. Like pollen. I guess I'll collect this stuff too. A lot of people in my last server I was playing in would cut me off and just take everything in front of me. Make sure and I don't get nothing. Okay, field's complete. Next field. Next field, please. What is happening? Ow. Okay, so I do have him. I just got pounced because I was checking. Bill guy, the science guy. Bill. I mean, yeah, we be grinding. We be pulling up like we're rhyming. We be grinding. I want all the fire boosts that you give. Mine. This is actually a perfect field to grind in. Especially with my Caesars. How much are these? 1. Okay. Make sure to keep that. There we go, guys. See? I mean, yeah, I may have not been grinding my bees, but I mean, see? Ah! They're torturing me. Run! No, they broke me. Ow! This hurts. No, they're freezing my gate. What are these people doing? They must be too good. Too good for their own kind. I have now a brief bee. Hey, there we go. If I get a duplicate, well, I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to deal with that by keeping it, and then until I become a god and I get max things, and where I can switch out of the duplicate. Easy peasy. Bamboo field. Yep. 4K from bamboo field. How did I know I did this quest over 500 times? Trying to make this video perfect. Yes. Oh, I got a bumblebee. Bumblebee. Bumble. What is that? Convert rate. 2 times. Well, I don't even have 1% convert rate. Don't smack. So don't smack. Smack. Don't smack. Smack. Don't smack. Hey, I think I can use some of these. Oh, jeez. Got killed instantly. Yeah, they're all level 3. I'm unstoppable, actually. I have stuff that's like level 6. Still kills this thing pretty slow. I'm pretty sure I got some killers, though. I need to convert there. Whoa! I wasn't even trying to grind. Bill guy, the science guy. Bill guy. Nope. You can't catch me. I was putting my eyes on 2 things. Kinda actually hurts. There's a jelly. Gotta get the jelly. Let's go. I gotta get that jelly. Ouch. Jelly. No. Again. Jelly. Okay. Jelly. No. I can't see this. Jelly.
I gave you my heart.